Hello, welcome. I'm JB, the founder of DesisHub, and today we are launching our first AI custom trained chatbot. And most of you have used ChatGPT, and me too have been using ChatGPT. And here is the major problem that you face when you're using ChatGPT. So if you're using ChatGPT, I have my ChatGPT open here. And I'm just going to ask about it, my company. And you can also ask it about your name, your brand, and high chances are it doesn't know your brand or it doesn't know your company. So you can just say, what is DesisHub? So I'm just going to come here and say, what is DesisHub? Okay. So high chances are it's just going to give you some a company that, or it will give you some data that is not about your company. So you can see here is giving an online platform that caters primarily to the Southern Asian community. So like this has nothing to do with my company. And most of you, the only problem that if you try to put ChatGPT on your website or to use it in your company, there is no easy way of training it. And even if you trained it, you will have to first log in ChatGPT, and maybe you upload a document about your company, and then there is no way you can take it out of GPT and plug it, for instance, on your website. Okay, so this is what I've been working on for all this time to make sure that we can get GPT, there we get the LLM, the large language model, we get it out and we train it on our custom data, and then we can use it in any platform we want. We can put it on our website. That is the first use case. You can put it on your WhatsApp to chat with where your customers can chat directly on WhatsApp, and even all your social medias. It is actually possible. So I just want to demonstrate what we did, and it is pretty awesome, and I know you're going to like it. So if you just go on our website, desisHub.com, you will see now at the bottom right corner, I have this chat option. So if I click it, you see here we have DesisHub AI assistant, and it is saying, hi, I am an AI assistant, ask me anything. So I'm just going to start with a simple question. For instance, what is DesisHub? The same question we asked the AI. So you just go back here and you just ask what is DesisHub and click here. It's going to just take some time and just give us some answer to this. And you can see here it went ahead. DesisHub is a technology company founded in 2022 in Kampala, Uganda. It offers comprehensive digital solutions and technology education. And it went ahead give the whole company history. The company operates through two main divisions, a digital solution agency and a coding school. Founded by Muke John Baptist, JB, DesisHub aims to transform Africa tech landscape by creating world class. So you can see it has all the information about DesisHub. You can even go ahead and ask it like, what are the services do you do and all that. But right now I'm just going to ask it any other question. For instance, I can say, what is the price of a website? Like this would be something you would want to ask me or ask any person from DesisHub, like how much do you charge to build a website? So we included, you can see it in the knowledge base, and the cost of to develop a website with us varies based on the package you choose. And it has here all the packages. We have 3 packages: the basic package, standard package, and the pro package, which is up to 4.4. So like this is really good. Look at the quality of formatting the text. It is readable, it is really nice. Okay, and I'm just going to finally ask it another question, for instance, of saying, how do I contact them? How do I contact them? So this can also give you like links. So you can see here, you can contact them using the following methods. They give you the phone numbers, they give you the WhatsApp link, they give you the website contact form. So if I click on this, you said it takes me to the website contact form, and it gives you the YouTube channel and even the WhatsApp. So this is like really custom, because it does not just only give you, it gives you also the custom links, like you can just like specify. Okay, So I just want to give you a glimpse of how this was built and the technologies behind this. The first technology is actually GPT-4. So we used the large language model we used is GPT-4 mini. That is the LM we used behind, and we use it in terms of in two places. I might not go into details, but we use a technique which is RAG, that is retrieval augmentative generation, where it retrieves the information from different sources, and in this case our knowledge base. I'm just going to show you in a second. And the second one is LangChain. So LangChain is the one which can actually give you ability to use different LLMs. For instance, you can use Llama, you can use GPT, you can use DeepSeek R1. It is actually already integrated in LangChain, and anytime soon we are migrating to DeepSeek. And then another one is Langsmith. So Langsmith is actually helping me to track how the GPT is performing on different questions, so that I can improve it in different areas. Because if you refresh the page, all this conversation is going to be lost, and I would not know how it answered your question. But I can use Langsmith to trace all the traces. So you can see I'm tracing all this information in Langsmith. For instance, how do I contact them? So you can see how you asked this question, the information that the history and everything, how it answered the question. I can look at the output here and everything. You can see here it gives me all the information on different questions, so I can trace the performance of this. And lastly, before I move on, the last one in the technologies is the Pinecone DB. So using the Pinecone, which is a vector database that is going to store our chunks of data as we upload them. So there is a lot of processing behind the scenes that I cannot go through right now. I actually also have a full video if you want to go deep on how you can build technology like this. I have a free video on YouTube. You can just go ahead and watch that one. But for now, I just want to demonstrate one more thing that we did. So that is, we can create a knowledge base, and a knowledge base is as simple as a document. It can be a PDF, a Microsoft Word document, a database, or even a website. In this case, we used what most people use, or what people are very comfortable with, that is a document. And we are using a Word document, actually like a PDF document to upload, but you can edit it, of course, as a Word document. So I just want to add in a new piece of information right now, and then I just go ahead and I query the GPT or our custom AI. We query about that information, and we see how fast it can update the information knowledge. So I prepared here some information. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here, and that is like our social media handles. So I'll just go down here just like this, and I'm just going to paste this, and you can just see I've added this is Hub social media accounts. So you have LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead, save this. After saving this, I just simply just save as a PDF. So I just go here in downloads, and I'm just going to save as a PDF just like this. Okay, so now this is the new information, including here the social media accounts. So I'll just go ahead and upload this. Now we also created a custom interface for interacting with our GPT. So you can see I have this page that if you are logged in on Desis Hub, you access this, and you can go ahead and upload the knowledge base. So I'm just going to go ahead and update the knowledge base just like this. Upload. So this is going to go ahead and do all the interpretation, the chunking, and everything. And you can see here I'm uploading it now to the Pinecone and processing everything that is required. And this can process to up to any capacity of information you have. So after this, now it has updated and synced successfully. I just want to go back to the chat, and I want to refresh to make sure that we are on difference information. Okay, so I'm just going to ask just a simple question, like for instance, who is the founder of Desis Hub? Who is the founder of Desis Hub? Just for the start, so that I just go ahead and now I ask so you can see the founder of Desis Hub is Muke John Baptist JB. If you have any more questions about Desis Hub or its services, feel free to ask. And now if you ask about, for instance, the services, like it has all this information, and you can see how it is fast and very nice in answering really accurately. And you can see here the services. And now let's go and ask about the new piece of information we have just updated. I'm just going to say what are the social media accounts for Desis Hub. Social media accounts for Desis Hub. You can just like in a different way, like what are the social media account or social media accounts, and then we see if it can pull out this new information. And you can see very nicely it has, Desis Hub has the following social media accounts, and it gives you the LinkedIn. This is our LinkedIn page. If I click it, this takes you to the LinkedIn. It went ahead to give you the TikTok page. It also gives you the Twitter page and also the YouTube page for Desis Hub. And this is really nice. Look at the formatting. Like the formatting is on point. Things are very readable, well formatted, and building this formatting was also very challenging because how ChatGPT gives back the information is different. But we went ahead and really fine-tuned this whole interface, and it is so good. And now this AI right now is available for integration. If you have a website right now, we can integrate this AI into your website, and this is like good news for companies. Okay, your customers are just like on the website wondering, looking, asking, clicking everywhere. Now you have the chance to actually know what your customers is and give them extra more than all your competitors. So it is available for integration at a negotiable cost. And if you have any information, I'm just going to leave my contacts and the details. You can just reach me in the inbox, and we'll see how we can get you online. Thank you so much.